Muslim English Language Institute.
Dialogue vocabulary, lexical resources. Listen to the translation of the words or idioms, repeat them and listen to the examples. Number 1. Grabbing a bite. Getting something to eat. Example. Do you want to grab a bite for lunch?
Number 2. Go Dutch. Pay separately. Example. I'm going with you for lunch, but promise me that we would go Dutch.
Number 3. Is on me. I'll pay for. Example. Whenever I go to a restaurant with my brothers, the bill is always on me.
Number 4. Cutting down. Dieting. Example. My weight is increasing, so I have to cut down on crabs.
Number 5. Pig out. Eat in excess. Example. When some people go to buffet, they just pig out.
Number 6. A side of. An extra order of. Example. One course of meal is not enough for me, so I need a side order of French fries.
Number 7. Sweet tooth. Passion for sweets. Example. My uncle has a sweet tooth. That's why he is suffering from diabetes.
Number 8. Chocaholic. Chocolate lover. Example. She uses chocolate in every cake she bakes because she's a chocaholic.
Number 9. Your eyes are bigger than your stomach. You believe you can eat more than you actually can. Example. What are you going to do with all that food? I guess your eyes are bigger than your stomach.
Number 10. Skip. To omit. Example. I never skip breakfast because it is the most important meal of the day.
Number 11. Doggy bag. A bag used to carry food home. Example. With all these leftovers, we need a doggy bag.
Number 12. Leftovers. Excess food. Example. We never throw away the leftovers.